Good evening, everyone. My name is Tony Wong. I'm company senior trainer or senior speaker. I've been with Inchawe company for nearly 5 years. I joined Inchawe at year 2017, July 17. In fact, 17th of July 2017. Well, I was 7. Okay. Thank you for coming to join us. Tonight, our topic is talk about this rejuvenation. I believe every one of us want to look young, right? Definitely. Okay, tonight our topic talk about rejuvenation. Yeah. So we had to accept. We start from our young age. Mm, from our mother womb, and then we come to this world, and then slowly we grow up, and then slowly we study, and then when we graduate, and then got married, and then start to get old, and probably one day when we get old, we must get old, yeah, aging, yeah. We must in good health. Importantly is good health, yeah. So of course we always want to look nice. We always want to look, people look at you, firstly, they look at your face. A lot of ladies mostly, they talk about skin, how beautiful you are, how slim you are. Is there anything wrong? It's not wrong at all. I personally want to make myself look nice also. Yeah. Just to let you know, I'm nearly 60 years old already. So I know I've been living in this world for nearly 60 years already. If add up with in my mother womb, is already more than 60, considered as more than 60 years old. So rejuvenation, yeah, how to really rejuvenate ourselves. If you are at 45, 50, 55, 60, or maybe older, yeah. So how to make yourself look young and nice, importantly, yeah, and also in good health. So you can see this picture here. The skin totally different. You see, some people, you look at their face with very dark. People say Chinese, especially Chinese. When you look at their face, if looks dark, they say no good. They say have low luck. Yeah, so it's not good. So a lot of ladies, if they have their skin, or say darker skin, or maybe a lot of pigmentation on this and that, probably had to deal with their ovary uterus system. And this is important. Yeah, so this is important. So you can see a lot of stars, a lot of Hollywood stars, a lot of artists. They always want to look nice. How they really manage to let their self looks young all the time, because their face are very, very important. They need to look young. No choice. Yes, their job. Yeah, their job. They are stars. They are superstars. They need to look so young all the time. How? We talk about it slow one by one. Yeah. Okay. We start from baby. Yeah. Baby, you can see when you touch their face. Yeah. You touch their face. You feel that they have this bounce back. Yeah. Texture. Yeah. You can see that they got this like very elasticity. They will bounce back. Doing, doing, doing. Now you touch your face yourself. See whether any doing or not. Touch yourself. Yeah? You touch yourself, your face. See whether you feel anything like baby, Because baby, you see their face, you like to touch them, right? But now, because of pandemic, try not to touch. Even you see baby, you don't touch them, okay? Maybe having any kind of virus spread to them or whatever. Well, baby collagen, 90%. Okay, wait, can we make our collagen? In fact, originally our body itself, we have it. The only things when we grow up, maybe pollution, maybe free radicals attack on us, and then we start to decline. You see, so when age coming up to 20, start to decline up to 75% only. So 90% drop down to 75%. And then slowly age 30, 55%. And then followed by 50 years old, collagen start to drop to 35%. Okay, so what shall you do? So people will say, I want to buy products with collagen. Collagen. Is there anything wrong if you want to intake collagen in? It's nothing wrong. But the only thing, whether the collagen from the market itself can really helps when you consume in, really can really build up the texture, collagen in your skin, underneath the skin. Well, if you know about nutrition, it's quite simple. In fact, just remember it's protein. Firstly, protein, then vitamin C, and then you need enzymes, you need omega. No choice. Every single cell we need omega 3 and 6. Our body cannot make by itself. Okay, so with this combination, you will get collagen. You will get collagen itself, definitely. So if you provide the right ingredients for your body itself, originally, instead of you intake directly collagen, because many collagen products in the market, they're right there on the box, on the bottle or whatever, on the packing, they say we have collagen. But when you consume this collagen really helps you to build out the texture. Well, it may not. It may be yes. Yes or no. It depends on Dalton. So if you go for collagen, anything Dalton more than 2,000, then should be okay. Should be okay. But provide your body absorption, your digestive tract system, you need to be good also. You see, some people say, I take this product, not so effective. This Mr. A, Miss B take the same products like me, the same amount of products, the doses, but why to them, is so good. But for me, it's not so, like, not up to what I want, not up to my expectation. Why? It may be because of our body system is not in good condition. Firstly, is your digestive tract. You need to have good absorption. You need to have good absorption. Okay, women age 25 onward, why age easily? Why? You see, when you are now at age 25, if you are now at age, you need to take care of yourself well. That's why some people, you see, mother and daughter, when they go up together, is this your sister? But in fact, it's mom. But why mom looks so young? Probably when before she got married, or age before 25, already start to take care well. So when she got married, she gave birth to a child. She continued to take care well. So when she is 40 or 45, when she go out with her daughter, they see that, wow, are you sure mother and daughter is not sisters? When people talk to you like that, how do you feel? You feel good. Like me, I go out with my daughter. I go out with my daughter. You say, wow, is it your daughter? Looks young. Feel pretty good. Pretty well. So why? Because of estrogen, because of hormones. Sometimes we don't know. You see, a lot of people having this hormones fluctuation is pretty bad. So when every month when the period come, it's not in that well manners. For example, every 28 days is a cycle, but probably they prolong up to 35 to 40 days only come once. So if you are in a pre-menopause condition, probably prolong longer. Period come when you are in going to the menopause stage, probably the period come, it may come 10 days, 15 days, even some after the period, then another a week later, the period come again with a little of a blood or discharge. Yeah? So these are the things that we need to know ourselves. So of course I'm man. Why I know so well, definitely I studies. Yeah. So menopause is one of the main symptoms of estrogen deficiency. Right. So during the period before menopause, the production of ovarian estrogen begins to slow down. So because of aging, in fact, the ovary system, yeah, it start to decline. They cannot produce a good estrogen itself. So pre-menopause, menopausal woman before and after menopause, supplementation of right amount of estrogen hormone can ensure soothing the emotional condition. So how do you supply yourself with estrogen or hormones? If directly supply, is it good for your? Some people go for injection, right? So if you know, you must take omega 3 and 6 together. If you can go for omega 3, 6, 9, of course, omega 9 itself, our body can make itself. So 3, 6, 9, like our sacha inchi oil, is totally from one plant called sacha inchi. Yeah? So it's directly. So this can help. So we have this called the product called Rich. Rich is here. I got it here. You see, I consume 3 different kinds of oil from our Inchawe. Rich is very good for what we say for ladies hormones. It's good. Well, does it contain hormones? No, not at all. Like our Inchawe ladies, does it contain hormones itself? Not at all. Okay. So it can help to build up to let your hormones be balanced, right? Or estrogen production will be better. Right? So after menopause, low estrogen level may increase the heart disease and osteoporosis. This is true. You can search from any what we say medical field, talk about heart disease. Any ladies or women fall into menopause, yeah, their heart disease cases increase, the percentage increase, or OA, osteoporosis also increase. Definitely. Why? Maybe they don't really take enough calcium also. Yeah, or maybe they don't really go under the sun well. So we need D3. We need good sun ray also. Yeah. You see any animals with back with their backbones, okay, showing to this the sky, they don't have any kind of, we say, backache problem. We as a human being, we stand up and we walk around, right? We stand like that. But the animal itself with backbone showing to the sun, they are facing up to the sky. They hardly get any, what we say, like OA, osteoporosis, or backbone, back pain itself. So next time we try to work like that, okay? Like animals, sorry. Well, this is true. This is true. This is done by scientists. Okay. Look at the age of going into menopause. A lot before 40 already fall into menopause. Yeah. So you can see fluctuating of this estrogen level is totally different aging, different age, different age. So if really move into menopause, it start to really decline very fast. That's why a lot cases OA, the bones start to be more fragile, and then the heart disease start to increase, percentage of increase. So if in fact the woman is start from menopause is 45 to 50 like that, but now is going to younger age already. Some I take it, this answer. Some people even for before 30 years old already fall into menopause. The sign is there. It's pre-menopause. Yeah. So why? Estrogen declining. The reason why? How? Probably some people going for surgery 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. They may have ovary problem, uterus problem, this and that. Or maybe their lifestyle, they smoke a lot, they drink a lot, they stay out late, and they have a pressure, stress. This is invisible killer. And then unbalanced diet. If you want to looks beautiful and stay out with a good body shape, well, you know what to take. In fact, if you don't know, please, we have a lot of session talk about light fasting program 18672. So next few days I'll do another session, but it's invited privately in English also. So another one is talk about this hormonal fluctuation. These hormones fluctuate. Yeah, so a lot of women don't know how to deal with it. Sometimes their temper up, showing really bad temper because of hormones fluctuating. Normally people say, or ladies or women, when their periods start to come, yeah, nearly coming to the period time, before 1 week, they start to have a lot of fluctuation there. They start to have bad mood. How to stay out with mood calm? It's importantly eat rightly, eat balanced diet, don't stay out late, and drink more water, and must do exercise. And then the estrogen declining may be due to radiation. Radiation create, and then smoking create a lot of free radicals also. And extreme sports, you need exercise, but you don't go heavy duty. Like me, I do exercise nearly every single day. But yeah, I don't do the extreme sports or heavy duty sport. I don't. Yeah. So probably last time is 6 pack, now become 4 packs. I still have 4 packs now. Still quite keep out quite well. Well, it's not easy to keep out 6 pack at my age. Not easy unless I really go extra hard in gym. No? But I don't go gym now because of pandemic. Previously I signed up in gym as a member. Another one is pituitary gland degeneration. We have pituitary gland, okay, but it's slim. You and I probably don't know. Sometimes how to keep us really make our pituitary gland active. This is important also because a lot of hormones are because due to this pituitary gland problem or shrink because of age declining. Yeah. So okay, let us go to next page. So low estrogen, common symptom may be fatigue, hot flashes, and maybe night sweat. This is very, very common. Every woman need to go through it. But how serious it is? When women go into this menopause stage, during their sleep, certainly the whole body just sweat. You can't believe yourself also. How come my whole body, my shirt, my my night shirt or pajamas really, really wet? Why? Because of sudden night sweat coming. Anxiety and vaginal dryness, loss of libido. This is very common. I'm emotional, very common. Talk about emotional. Sometimes we don't know why our parents, the old age parents, they start to have bad mood. Last time, not like that. A very simple things they try to arise out and then start to make noise already. Why? It may be because of due to estrogen level are really, really low. That's why causing them emotional. They really easy to really get angry, this and that. So memory declining is very common. We know that even now youngster a lot, they forgot this and that. Breast atrophy and relaxation. This one need uh, every woman needs this extra breast cream to really help to really make it more elasticity, yeah, okay, or more texture, this and that. Wrinkles, yeah, I got wrinkles. The people say wrinkles, one line wrinkles is 10 years. So my wrinkles is not that deep yet. So unless I don't really keep up well, I don't care at all, then my wrinkles will be uh, really, really getting very deep and looks very old already. So our skin starts to sagging, then having dull skin. If you want to have bright skin, all this and that, you need to keep up, especially women, your ovary, uterus, you need to keep up in good condition, good healthy condition all the time. Yeah. So irregular menstruation, this is very normal. That's why I say how serious it is when women fall into this menopause time. How serious it is. It may be some people say, I don't feel anything at all. Why? They keep really, really in good condition all the time. Take care of their food all the time. You know, we like to eat. We like to eat, definitely. Yeah. So, but what to eat is important. Is it good for your body? Is it healthy for every cells? Yeah, that's important. Fertility declining. So want to get pregnant is quite difficult. Yeah, and then that start to have joint pain, arthritis, OA. Just now I say osteoporosis, rapid heartbeat. Well, have those who are in menopause, they know. Yeah, for those even having they say hypothyroidism, they start to have shivering, they start to have bad mood, easy anger. It's not they want to, they start to have irregular heartbeat even. It's not they want to get angry. It's the hormones itself fluctuate terribly. So protein, hair loss, wow. Uh, talk about hair loss. Recently, I received a lot of feedback, especially for those to go for this jab. They say first dose, second dose, because due to this COVID-19, I already go for third dose boosting. A lot of women come back to me, why my hair recently dropped so much? It may be due to jab. I can say that. But why suddenly drop? Normally we will drop our hair, but we will start go back. But it's not that serious. But recently I receive a lot of cases like that. You may have it. You can share with us. So may have weight gain. When start to have come into aging already, start to have build up in the tummy, okay, we say spare tire, okay, or maybe this part start to grow out and then you can flick around, and then even the legs, the up thigh here also start to build out. It's quite difficult to steam down and maybe not focus, panic, all this. Okay, is the menopause only uh, what we say copyright by woman or not, or men don't have it, because the word is called menopause, menopause. Okay, but men menopause, is there any for men going to menopause? Yes, it's the same, almost the same. The research done is almost the same. That's why you can see your father or older father, aging father may have bad mood, this and that. Well, definitely they already moved into touch wood. I'm still okay so far. I'm still okay. Nearly age 60, suppose I already go into menopause. So I understand, but so far still okay. Yeah. So women are not the only ones suffering from hormonal imbalance. Many reports from doctors confirm that many men facing almost the same symptom like women. Almost the same, yeah. So men menopause generally occur at age 50 to 55. It's a bit dragging, not like women probably 45 to 50, even younger. But now also many men entering menopause at age 45. Yeah, so you know that why it's happening. Yeah, so we look at it. Menopause symptom. Common symptoms are fatigue, underworking ability, depression, anxiety, almost the same. Emotional, irritable, suspicious, suspect. You know, it starts to suspect. Oh, you, my wife, why make up so nicely, so dress up so nicely, going out? Where she go? Start to have some suspicious here and there. Why? Okay. So memory declining, yes, we had to accept it. I also have memory declining. I was trained in such a way. People stand in front of me, 10 people. When they talk about their name, A, B, C, D, 10 people, I can memorize in just a few seconds. After get to know them, after that I come back to them, I memorize, I know who they are, what's their name. Never make mistake. But now, no more, no more. It's declining. So wrinkles, loss of libido, sexual dysfunction, okay, less common symptom, dizziness, frustration, osteoporosis, the same, rapid heartbeat, cold limbs, hair loss, weight gain, muscle loss, not focus, panic. Okay, so anything on this symptom, if anyone have more than five, you are already properly in menopause or pre-menopause. Very simple. Anything more than 5 years. Yeah, women the same. Yeah, so you know that why this and then why. Okay. So how to stay young and beauty? How to stay young and beauty? Tonight our session is talk about rejuvenation, right? So many people recommend slimming products. This is normally women, copyright by women. Okay. Men also they want to slim down because of too fat. Slimming product, but you must take the right slimming product. That's why we in Chawei we have Wong at 672 light fasting program. Well, we helps a lot of people. Okay, somebody raise hand. Okay, any question by my speech of the ending, then you can ask question. Yeah. So slimming product, you must get the right one. If you don't know, come to us. We tell you what to do. We have many beauty contents. We have many. Now I'm in Chawei for nearly 5 years. I can see many people, many men and women who have before that they look more ugly, like I said. Sorry to use that word. Looks more ugly. Maybe face a bit darker, a lot of pigmentation. After they take our products alone, half years later they change a lot. 1 year later they change, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and then we have this 1672 light fasting program. Even they looks much more beautiful and handsome, and then much more healthy, definitely. Yeah. So most people recommend a beauty and skincare product. Is it wrong? Not wrong. You can use right beauty skincare product. You must use right, because a lot of skincare product contains of a lot of heavy metals or chemicals compounds that is already inside. You don't know. So that's why you must get the right one. Yeah. So well, some people go for Botox injection, crystal white injection. Once they inject, wow, they looks really change. So if you whiten your skin, I can tell you, one thing to do is take more vitamin C and antioxidant products. That will help you a lot. HRT, human replacement therapy, this is bad. This is bad. You can check from the line on the net. HRT is very bad. A lot of side effects. Yeah. Plastic surgery, well, now very common. In this modern world, a lot of people going for plastic surgery. If you have money, if you think that okay, just do a minor one. Don't go for extra. That day I read from the newspaper, a lady, the European lady. Yeah? Well, supposedly she looks quite nice. I don't know why she go for all kind of uh, quite a heavy surgery. I don't know why she do that. She is really hurting herself. Well, in fact, compared to previously, she looks more ugly after the plastic surgery, after the few times of plastic surgery. Wow, this is modern time world, modern world. Okay, people going for Botox, yeah, and this is something that they go for Botox, and then reduce wrinkle appearance, they go for another jab, and then brighten dark circles, they go for some kind of cream, I don't know, and then leave unfirming. This is leave unfirming is more easy to do, more easy to do if you get the right cream, it will help you. Okay, removes puffiness. And then fill in lines. Some people fill in lines and make them their skin more firm. Well, that's just how I see. If you touch the baby face, now you touch your face whether got or not. If you got uh, congratulate. People say start to have lack of collagen. Yeah. You need to have 24-hour hydration. People say we need to drink more water. If our skin itself, anything less than 10% of water is dehydrated already. So my personal way talk about rejuvenation is with good health. First start with good heart. We must have good heart. We must have giving heart. We must have willing to share. No, happy always and be humble too. People, we human, we start to have jealousy, we start to have bad temper. Now, talk about, or maybe my friend doing so well, I get really, really envy. I feel that I want to even more better than him or her. It's not wrong. You want to challenge yourself, but don't go overboard. No? If you stay up good heart, giving heart, always stay happy, always giving smile yourself, always be humble. I tell you what, people will see you. They can feel you. Not only see you, they can feel you. They feel that they like to be friends with you. I believe all of you here agree with me, right? Well, it's true. If you're happy, you look younger. You will look more healthy. Right? A lot of research done, a lot of cancer patients because of a lot of built up anger in their heart. They develop a lot of unhappiness in their heart. They are very emotional. They don't like this. They don't like that. They complain this. They complain that. That's why they even fall into such kind talk about cancer. Cancer cells is from our body itself. You see, some people take this product and that product, why they are not, they consume the same doses as you, but why not as good as what you are taking, or what we say, the result is not there. Why? Is probably not only the digestive tract problem itself. It probably is that person always stay out late. or maybe having a bad temper, always call people, always not having good heart. They don't have the good heart. That's why we need to change ourselves first. This is true. Secondly, quality sleep. Better don't stay up late. I do my very best to stay up early, to sleep early. Sometimes I stay out late. Like tonight, I probably stay out a bit late. But I don't have any sleep problem until now. I don't care what pressure I have. As long as I lie on the bed, I just sleep. I don't care. Tomorrow is tomorrow problem. The problem is there, just let it be first. Tomorrow deal with it also can. But if you can do it by today, solve it by today, it will be best. Don't carry forward. Well, third, regular exercise. I do exercise nearly every day. Nearly every day. I tell myself, we are lazy. We are lazy, but we need to do exercise. Yeah. When you sleep in one position, probably, let's say for example, you turn it to the right, you continue to sleep that style, that position for 7 hours or 8 hours. Right? Do you think that this nerve system or the muscle system are really jammed in that way? That's why when you get out in the morning, you need to do stretch out. To make yourself fresh, you need to do exercise. You need to make your self blood flow in the right manners. Yeah? That's why you need to drink enough water. Yeah? Drink enough water. That's important. But I encourage people to drink only warm water. Yeah? You can drink juice, no problem. Yeah. If you feel that your body can sustain well, you can put a little ice, will be okay. But I don't really encourage people really go for full ice water. After their meal, after their morning meal, kopi or pen, kopi or ice. During their lunch, they have tasty ice. All ice, So it's very bad. Our Malaysia or Singapore or Southeast Asia, normally our weather is hot, already hot. But when you drink cold, you feel good. But the problem is your bloodstream or your, what we say, artery, all this maybe shrinking, you don't know at all. Yeah. And then we need balanced diet. We need balanced diet. What do we need by balanced diet? Let's study together. Let's learn together. Yeah. This is a pyramid, food pyramid. You can see all kind of foods. Start with the lower bottom one is the grains. And then the right side, we have fruits, we have vegetables, we have milk, we have meat, fish, egg, we have fat, we have salt, we have sugar. We need that. We need all of it. But let's look at the studies on this we call molecular reform therapy. We need 47 nutrients. We need 47 nutrients, 9 amino acids. Previously, in fact, if you look at the past of the nutrients who study nutrition, they talk about 8 amino acids only. But now, after that, they confirm that there is another amino acids is essential. Is essential for our body. Is histidine. That's why I mark here, put here on the top here, histidine. So we have this called 9 essential. Our body cannot make by itself. Right? And then we need 18 types of vitamins and 20 types of minerals. Altogether, minimum our requirement for a day or every single meal, we need 47 types of nutrients. Whether you like it or not, it's 47 nutrients. For example, if you are lack of, if you are lack of zinc, what will happen? Well, a lot of male, for example, they start to build having this prostate problem because of lack of zinc. And women start to drop hair, probably they lack of zinc. Well, they start to have anemia, they lack of iron. Anemia may be lack of vitamin 12, B12, or B6, right? Or chromium. If for those who have this, we call sugars problems, yeah, or pancreatic system problem, they may lack of chromium because we call it as a GTF chromium, glucose tolerance factor chromium. So maybe we are lack of potassium, we lack of sodium. These two always abang ade, abang ade, they balance up together. Yeah. So you need some people are too much of iodine because they have this called hypothyroidism. So they need to cut down all the seaweed. They cannot take the sea salt because of too much of iodine. If he or she is hypothyroidism, she need to take seaweed more. Right? Like for example, selenium. Selenium is good, extraordinary good, even for like prostate, even like for this cancer patient is extra good. So we need all these different kind of 47 nutrients from our food itself. So the question is, can you get all what I say, 47 nutrients from every single meal? Ask yourself, what do you take in the morning? I mean, beside the Inchaway products, don't talk about Pro, don't talk about it first. Before that, what do you take? What is your morning meal? Nasi lemak? Mee siam? Char kway teow? Maybe all kind of different kind of meat? Or maybe dua telur, 2 eggs, and 2 pieces of bread, and 1 coffee or coffee ice. I don't know. Well, what about lunch? Chicken rice? Or evening meal? What do you take? So a lot of people taking evening meal too late. That's why they build up their tummy so fast. Especially those aging, like my age, I cannot take too late. Dinner cannot take too late. If I take too late, my rice, I like to take rice all the time. I'll be half, I can't be half, even 1/3. I control myself. If not, because of my age, easily to build up tummy, very easy. That's why we need to extra careful ourselves to really know what to do for our meal, daily meal, morning, afternoon. So what do you take? That's why I ask yourself, ask yourself, what do you take for your meal? Can you get 47 nutrients in one meal? Nasi lemak, can you get 47? Chicken rice, can you get 47 nutrients? Not at all. That's why this hierarchy not possible. So doctors always say you need 5 to 6 different kinds of fruits and vegetables, different colors some more. So this is something that we need to learn ourselves. We need to know how to go with it. Yeah. Okay. I talk about Cell Pro now. Why I talk about Cell Pro? It's good for detox, recuperate, and rejuvenate. Rejuvenate. Why? Cell Pro is a balanced diet. It's a balanced meal. So probably whatever you cannot get, you cannot get from your meal, or you cannot prepare yourself. You may prepare different kinds of colors of fruits and vegetables. Yeah, then only you can get like what Cell Pro get. Like especially this called AFA, alpha nizomenol frost extract. So they contains of 18 different kind of amino acid, of course, including the 9 amino acid, all the vitamins, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12. You want iron, they got. You want calcium, they got. You want vitamin C, got. You got sodium, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, zinc. They all have. I don't say 100%, but they can give you a 90%, it will be good enough, right? So you can see that. So Cell Pro, you must consume. If you can consume 2 a day, super. It's enough nutrients for a day. properly other meal, you cut it down. This, you already have enough nutrients for your body. So Cell Pro not only a balanced meal, it can do a detox, like we have this ingredient called ornithine, glutathione, saline husk. Glutathione is especially good for your what? For your liver. Yeah, you go and check. In fact, glutathione itself, our body liver can produce by itself. But due to old age, aging, again the word come out, aging. That's why you need to consume extra this ingredient called glutathione to come in. Yeah, saline husk is good for bowels movement. We have this arginine taurine. Arginine is especially good to help your artery or your vein innerly, innerly to produce this called nitric oxide. And nitric oxide help you to make your artery vein or more elasticity. Yeah, according to Dr. Farid Murad, who is the inventor of Viagra, so he found out that our body, in fact, our body can have originally we call NO, nitric oxide, but the problem is aging. Properly you can't. So that's why we need arginine, the ingredient come in to activate to help us to produce enough nitric oxide to make your this artery or vein more elasticity. So if you have enough NO, nitric oxide, talk about high blood pressure, hypertension, or high sugar level, or maybe we say fat lipids, it will really cut down. Okay, white kidney bean is extra good to block this we call carbo, from your food, and then you can change it, convert it. We call as prebiotics. Prebiotics is food for probiotics. So we have this called natural pandan leaf extract. Natural pandan leaf is very common in Malaysia. The whole Cell Pro itself, the only ingredient from Malaysia is natural pandan leaf. Other ingredients is from different countries. Like for example, AFA is from Oregon. Oregon, the only country, the only place that we got this AFA. So AFA, you know about spirulina, you know about chlorella, but maybe you don't know AFA. AFA is a super food. Whatever your body maybe lack of nutrients is there. Cell Pro. Okay. So these are the contents. In fact, a lot are not written here. So, okay, the other products I want to talk about is Inchawell, ladies and men. And because tonight's session we talk about rejuvenation, especially for ladies, talk about hormonal problem, imbalance problem, fluctuation problems of the hormones. We need with this called Estrogen 100. We study together. So men and women in Chawel, we have three ingredients are the same. One is enzoxenol. This is especially good for rejuvenation. And then curate and Zemex. Zemex is especially good for eyes because aging, our eyesight, of course, focus, all iris, all these decline already. We need this Zemex, which contain lutein and zeaxanthin. Curate is from we call this that's what I call ginger. Ginger extract. This is extraordinary good because a lot of ginger powder you buy from market, when you consume it may not be able to absorb by your cell itself. But our curate is talk about at least minimum talk about 5 to 6 times better absorption. Okay, Lyco 360 is from tomato, and we study one by one together. All right, Estrogen 100, and this is especially good for women. And The name is quite difficult to pronounce. Sinachun with 4D leaf. Okay, with 4D, with 4D. Philomis umbrosa, Angelica jicas. Out of 400 different kinds of herbs, they choose 3 of it. So some people say women with tumor or fibroid can't take this Angelica. We already check and or whatever not good for women for fibroid or cyst already taken out. Yeah, so it's no problem at all. And we have this called trademark. It's super products. This is 3 ingredients, especially good for women. Yeah. So herbal extract screen out of 71 hertz extract. This in fact sorry is in fact not 400 herbs. It's 400 years. I forgot about it. It's about 400 years of documented use in Korea and as a folk medicine. So out of 71 different kind of herbs, they really take out these 3, especially good for women hormones problem. Yeah, so that's why some people say I got hormones imbalance, I go and take medicine. Is it good for yourself? You answer by yourself. Yeah, okay. Whether you take a lot of hormones pill is good or not, you have to answer yourself. I'm not doctor. I'm not a pharmacist. Yeah, and my second elder sister's second daughter is a pharmacist also. My brother-in-law is also a pharmacist. You see, these are the things that you may not know. Whether it's good for yourself, you can check online. Whether that medicine is having side effect or not, you have to check online. Is it good for your body? You have to check online because you take it, not me. Yeah. So of course I go for nature. I go for nature. So these are the tests proven that it really helps. Yeah, it really helps, especially how we say function of hormones. Okay, so you can take estrogen here out of 10. Improvement of vaginal dryness, good. Other pomegranate, no. Saw isophenol, no. Black cohosh, no. HRT, yes. But this is injection. So this is a medicine. It's different. It's a drug. So bone metabolism index, yes. Bone density, yes. Triglycerides, yes. No side effect. Increase of body weight and BMI help you? No. So that's why it won't bounce back when you really cut down your weight. So, and then a bit younger, through the year 2000, but these are a bit longer, but a lot having, we say, side effect like this one. For example, cancer-related, so isophenol, liver damage, fatal side effect. You see, these are serious. So this tested, proven. You see, just now I said trademark, 17 registered and pending, patented. Yeah. So function of estrogen. Yeah. I believe all of you roughly know what is happening. If you are moving into menopause, you need this to help you to balance up. To balance up your hormones is importantly. Yeah. So patent license approval, a lot of patented things, 17 registered and pending patents worldwide. Okay, I can't go into one by one. Too many research study, too many, a lot of studies. Yeah, all these studies, a lot, you see. Too many on estrogen 100. Okay, only I show you only. Yeah, I can't go to one by one. We don't have time at all. Yeah, tested, proven. So just now I see all kind of like for vacation, vegetarian, hot flash. parasitis, insomnia, nervous, melatonin, vertigo, fatigue, rheumatic pain is 62% improvement. We cannot say 100%, but it's super good enough. But no side effect, right? No side effect. Okay, so how estrogen affect our skin? You know that if you have enough, what we say estrogen, it will help your skin, looks good, more moisture, more texture, uh, more healthy. These are the things on the skin. So aging and rejuvenation. So a lot of movie stars, they are going for their rejuvenate program, whatever. So probably we are different from them. So we need to take care ourselves in different way. So Lyco 360, lycopene, is a character, is a very good antioxidant. So when you talk about Lyco antioxidant, is super good, like even for skin rejuvenation or aging. Yeah, we will age, our eyes focus is not there. That's why today I wear glass already. I'm not young anymore. At age 39, I already start to have, we say, short-sighted already. So, Lyco 360, this is extraordinary good antioxidant. It's good for cancer patient, diabetes patient, even neuro problem and immune system. For those who have immune related problem, it can help. So good for skin, definitely. Yeah, Lyco good for skin because it's an antioxidant, skin moisturization, skin texture, skin elasticity, skin superficial structure. Okay, we talk about men in child. Well, and enzoxenol. Enzoxenol is 100% natural extract from the bark and the tree bark of New Zealand grown pine tree. Okay, so it's particularly high in oligomeric, right? We call OPC, OPC. So its important thing is protects the telomere. So every cell of us, we have this we call chromosome. So ending part, we call the red head. Yeah? When it start to shorten, yeah, our age start to really start aging. So in our life, our telomere we split, so 50 times. 50 times. So every 2.5 years, 50 times 125 years, we can live until age 125. So like for example, a cancer patient, they may split every single year. But if normal calculation is 2.5 years, so 50 times 25 is 125 years. Yeah, my calculation, of course, is correct. So our telomere is shortened, then our lifespan is shortened also. So how to activate this telomere? We need this we call telomerase. Telomerase, that's why we say enzoxenol. Enzoxenol, it can help to activate our telomere. So make it slower or slow down this shortening or activate and make it really healthy in good condition. Yeah. So it's tested. Yeah. Short telomeres increase cancer risk. So they took these 10 years of studies. It really helps. It really helps. All these are studies. Yeah. So even CVD, cardiovascular disease, heart attack, stroke, they also do studies on it. It helps. Yeah. So even they studies on mice rates. So endogenous fat rates for 44% longer than in contrast after 90 months. So you take this product, it's not just 1 day, 2 days. If you can go for 6 months, you totally be different. Like for example, if you can go together with Sulfro, you can go together with our Inchaway, Sacha Inchi oil, that would be good, or Inchaka, that would be good. The thing is money only, money concern only. Yeah. Okay. Enzozinol is a very strong, powerful antioxidant. It's especially good for heart health, brain health, anti-aging, anti-aging or anti-aging, or eye health and skin health. Okay, so it's good for our body, yeah, for our cells. So it's also a trademark, patent protected. So definitely, they need to protect themselves or patented. If not, everyone can copy. Yeah, everyone can copy. So we have another ingredient called maca. Maca, in fact, is at least minimum 2,000 years, yeah, already on this earth. So it's in fact originally from Peru, but ours is not in just a normal stash in powder. We do extract by this Tokiwa Phytochemical Company. So it's a Japanese company, and it's extract out from maca itself. So it's much more better than a normal powder maca that they just do a very simple powder form, and they also call maca. Okay, so maca is especially good for recovery chronic fatigue, enhance immunity, restore male sexual potency. When talk about male sexual potency, it's not those products for male, sexual potency, like they take it, after that half an hour they have some uh, no erection already. Not that. This is doing in overhaul. It's not immediate. Yeah, but you know that after taking some time, then you feel that your sexual function is much more better. Yeah, especially those who are in old age, they know. Yeah, and then normalize menstrual cycle. So for female can take also. So treat gastric cancer, and then improve menopausal disorder. It can help also. So I don't consume it every day now because I consume it long enough, like our Anthony consume every single day. You see him, he looks much more younger, very handsome. The previous picture and now is totally different. Yeah. So I don't take every day now. Previously I take every single day because I have too many products to take already. And we have called this BCA, chain amino acid, branch chain amino acid. And this one, we talk about ATP. Yeah, ATP. This ATP or supplementary energy, for those who do exercise, they do heavy duty exercise, or particularly after their work, they feel very tired, lazy. You take one pack of this in shower man, you feel that you are energized. You heard about those energy drink, right? After you drink immediately, properly, after less than 20 or 30 minutes, they feel boost out energy. But that one is the contents of sugar is super high. For those who have diabetes, you cannot take that. But this one definitely okay, definitely, yeah, because our sugars is we can natural sugars is stevia, yeah, stevia. So this one supplementary energy. We have contents of isoleucine, leucine, and valine. These are the amino acid, which you add up 43 ATP, 42 ATP, and 32 ATP is 117. You can see that it can help you to build up your energy level super fast in natural way. Yeah, so help you to reduce your physical fatigue, brain fatigue, reduce muscle pain or soreness. So recovery very fast. This is important. Yeah. So we have curry. Just now I mentioned about curcumin or ginger, we say. So extraordinary absorption is super good, and compared to many curcumin or ginger powder is totally different. So ours is our ingredient is I don't say it's really top grade. Okay, so I can say it's super good ingredient already. Yeah. So the structure, function, absorption, uptake by bioavailability, metabolism, muscular, skeletal, joint, muscle, bones. For those who have always feel coldness, like their limb, their hands feel coldness, you can take in child well, man. Okay, so it's good, and it's good for cardiovascular, digestive tract, GI health. Of course, those who have the digestive tract problem or GI health problems, that you can take together with Inchaga, Inchaga. So Zamax, just now I talked about it. Lutein and zeaxanthin is super important for our eyes. In fact, our eyes originally we have this zeaxanthin and lutein itself, but due to old age, sorry, it's declining. So probably don't have much zeaxanthin. That's why we build cataracts, we build or it's like eye focusing is really become worse already. So like my mom age 89 already. So she also built cataracts. She go for a minor laser. They call laser. So far okay, but the other eyesight is not that good because of really old age. So we cannot expect to make her go back to age 30 or whatever. Cannot. It's already very bad situation already. So it's super good for our eyes. Yeah. So these are the ingredient. You can see that in Chawel, men and ladies, they inside contains a super ingredients. Yeah. So okay, our products like in Chawel, you can mix out 250 ml. Cellpro also can mix out 250 ml. But normally I take 500 ml, mix two together. Normally, then I drink it slowly during exercise time. So we don't have this wheat gluten contents, dairy product content, or without cholesterol also, without genetic modification, no trans fat, no chemical flavor, no chemical coloring, no preservative. We have 10 million product liability insurance, ringgit, ringgit. So all the talk about the Inchaware products, all we have is called references. You can check all from 1 to 38 here. You can check online. Whatever we say about our product ingredient is true. Okay? It's true. So, and then we move into, because our topic tonight is rejuvenation, right? We talk about amber micronized exfoliator. Maybe you never used before. Once I used this, compared to many others that I used before, this is super good. When you use it, you will like it. Just now, before shower, I already start to use this amber micro exfoliator to really peel off the dead skin. A very simple way to talk about it, dead skin. Because a lot of dead skin that probably we have it built up already, 1 level, 2 level, you don't know. It become thick skin. That's why we need to remove it. But how to remove it? We need exfoliator. Yeah. So it's very tiny round in shape. It won't hurt you. You can rub it on your arm and whole body, no problem. Yeah. Probably in future we'll go for bigger tubes. This is 75 ml only. So vegetable origin, fossil resin, rounded particles. This is important. It won't hurt you. You don't feel hurt. You feel good. After you peel off your dead skin, you really sharpen and rich shine. You feel good. You feel extra smooth. And then after that, you put on our mask, Inchawe mask. You go 3 days ago, I do mask also. I have mask here. Okay. Mask. Yeah, I have mask here. Okay, I have mask here. Yeah. So I'm man, but I do use it like woman. Yeah. But I want to look good. Anything wrong? Nothing wrong, right? And police won't catch me on that. So eliminates dead cells and impurities, restores skin nature, shine, and smoothness. Yeah. So you must try. You must try. But this exfoliator temporarily we don't sell. We don't sell. Yeah. Uh, only you buy certain products, then we give. But we will sell later because already proven very good. Yeah. So skin exfoliation effect after 30. You feel good. In fact, no need 30 minutes. After you peel off, you feel already feel good. You never use it before, you can feel it even more. Uh, feel that your skin, wow, really so smooth. You know that, yeah. These are also tested. Our product all are tested lah. Simple as that. Simple as that. All tested. Okay, amber powder, polluted. This we call combo of ginseng, apple, peach, wheat, and barley. So these are the ingredients itself. I just make it a bit more simple. We got more food. Okay, another one is Hydroplast. This is a special energy mask. Super good also. I like it. Yeah. After one mask, inside contains quite a lot of contents of serum. So when before you use it, you cut a small hole and then you pour on the another container. So every single day I use that, the serum itself, to help on my face. People say, "Oh, you are man. You look like woman already." Okay, but it doesn't matter. I want to look good. Yeah. So this can help to prevent water loss, and boost up hydration and maintain healthy barrier. So these are the contents. Contents of 6 active ingredients. We call this as a moistures, 8 types of hyaluronic acid. Not many products contains of 8 types together, hyaluronic acid together, 8 types. You can't hardly find, okay? And then we have fullerenes, and we can ceramide, again, ceramide MP, again, alpine rose, stem cell, alpine glucan, oligosaccharide, yeah? So it helps. When you use it, then you know. You just put on your face, lying down or sitting down, watching the TV also can, no problem. After 15, 25 minutes, some people say, I want to put it overnight. Up to you. But for those who have sensitive skin, very sensitive skin, you know what to do. You have to test it first. Some people may not suitable. Maybe certain ingredient they not suitable. So you have to test on the serum itself whether it's suitable. But most of people can suit to it. Yeah, can suit to it. So these are the ingredients that can help to produce to make yourself good. So my session ended here. So just make yourself look good. Rejuvenation, the topic tonight. Hope you like it.